Hello, dear lovely audience. How are you? I hope that you are all fit and fine. I am also fine. We are also fine. I have my father with me. The name of my father is Devbrata Kumar Nundi. Devbrata Kumar Nundi, a hand flag, Bangladesh flag. বাবা সবাইকে বাই বাই দাও, পতাকা দেখাও। হ্যাঁ, it is a victory day, 16th December. We come here in this field. The name of my field is Government Adult College Field. It is a favorite field and it is a loved field in my life because I have completed my graduation in this college. The name of my college is Government Adult College. I also come here visit in this college. We are also come here visit in this college. You can see there are many people come here visit in this area. There are many students, there are many people, there are many honorable person in this area because this day is a victory day. You can see there are many students running. I have my father with me. I actually some question. Are you ready, my father? What's your name? Okay, no problem. Baba, আজকে কি দিবস? ভিক্টোরি ডে, বিজয় দিবস। এটি কোন দেশের পতাকা বাবা তোমার হাতে? বাংলাদেশের পতাকা। তুমি কোন দেশের মানুষ বাবা? বাংলাদেশ, রাইট, বিউটিফুল, নাইস বাবা। ওকে, বলো তো বাবা ফ্ল্যাগ মানে কি? পতাকা, ভেরি গুড বাবা। We are come here in this area. It is a victory day. It is a memorial day in my country. It is a beautiful day in my country. Okay, bye bye.